Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing well. Today's video I am going to show you how you can collect bulk email from internet uh, or different specific site like Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or from YouTube. I mean like this from different popular platforms you can collect your email list and you can use them to hunt your client by cold mailing. So now I'm going to show you how you can do this by yourself. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to collect tons of email with totally free of cost. For doing this, first of all, we have to use a extension named email extractor. Most probably this one. So let's go here. Yeah, this one. I have already added this email extractor extension to my Google Chrome. That is why here is written remove from Google Chrome. So you guys first of all have to add this extension to your Google Chrome. I'm just clicking here and pin here. Okay, this one. So I'm just using this one which will help me to collect this email list. So let's type here site. This search string is showing here because I have already collected some of the email, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to collect some email from this Instagram. So first of all we have to type in the search bar site, then instagram.com, or you can, if you want to collect email from LinkedIn, you can write here linkedin.com, twitter.com, like this, and then here is the your string that will be your keyword. This one may be CEO, business owner, and different kind of email. If you want to collect a niche specific, then you have to type here that niches. Okay, like digital marketer, if you want to collect the email, or like web developer and SEO specialist, this kind of keyword you will put here, and then you will give the country name here. Okay, like we are going to collect from Canada. Okay, from Canada, and here is the email @gmail.com. You can use here also Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, if you want to collect from that platform email. Okay, and now I'm pressing here enter. So here, so you can see here is 12 email already. So let's click here more result and see the, yeah, here is 22 email. Okay, so let's click another more button, more result. You can see 32. Okay, that means every pages the email is scratching here. Okay, so if you can also collect this email by going this page, but it will take so long time, and that will be very difficult work for a person. But if you follow these steps and by using this Google Chrome extension, this will be super easy. Okay, by this way you can collect thousands of email. Okay, so now I have typed here some of the Instagram email. So let's copy this. Just copy them and keep them in your Google Sheet. I'm just this sheet blank. I'm just taking a blank spreadsheet for keeping this. Okay, just Control V. So here is the email list. Okay, so by this way you can collect your email. Now we can collect some email for the from Twitter, okay, and this will be web developer. Let's see what happened because we want some web developer. Okay, we still want to select some web developer Gmail address. So these are the people who are web developer and using Twitter. Okay, so we are going to collect their email. So you can see here is 10 already. So let's click more result. Number 15. Let's click more result. 18 result. 18 email we have already got. So by this, actually this is the way how you can collect bulk email here. Okay, for your targeted audience. And let's copy them and paste them to this spreadsheet like here. So this is really super easy. By this way you guys can collect your email and you can just rename here or that what kind of email, what type of people email you are collecting. So you have to keep them organizedly so that you can understand later that which platform email you have collected this. Okay. So actually by this way you can collect thousands of emails for your email marketing and hunting the client. And this is very effective way for your email list. And of course this is free of cost. So I hope this video is very helpful. Will be very helpful for you. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video. So thank you very much for watching this.